4 most original chords in music history. Don't you just love it when original harmony and melody come together so perfectly? Hey, come on man, can you please play something original? Okay, well, I'll think about it. And think about it, I did. While I was playing around with a regular 2-chord progression, I asked the question, how can I completely shake up this chord progression without too much effort? Okay, so hold tight because this is going to be revolutionary information. You switch all major and minor chords. It seems so simple, but it has many implications for your melodies and harmonies. So now we go from C minor to E major, instead of C major to E minor. Of course, I was joking that this is the most revolutionary idea ever, but I just never thought about it. And with this, probably you can make the most depressed version of the 4-chord song ever. Let's try it out on this chord progression. This could be a verse chord progression, for example. Now let's say that you need a section that completely flips the sound and feel. What do you do? What do you do? That's right, flip it. I flipped each chord. The E minor became an E major, the A became an A minor, the B minor became a B major, and the D became a D minor. The chord progressions sound a bit strange when you play them right after each other, but you can glue them together nicely with a melody. And then it sounds quite satisfactory, if you ask me. Of course, there are other ways how you can get to this kind of a chord progression, but I find this way to be fun and easy, and quite surprising, because you never know what you're gonna get and what it might lead to. So what about that 4-chord song? The original chords are C, G, A minor, and F major. What? Again? Are you serious? Yeah, I'm getting to it. My new chords will become C minor, G minor, A major, and F minor. A question you might have is, why not make all chords minor? You could feel tempted to do this, and most likely it will sound nice also, but I find you get the more interesting results when you just flip all the chords. You get 3 minor chords and 1 major chord. And yet this A major chord is what gives this progression a strange effect. If you add a melody, it sounds even better. Wakey, wakey, rise to see weird fishes and arpeggio. All that is left is swimming away from me. Wake up, time to shine, my precious friend. So is this technique very useful when you want to write a hit song? I don't know. We'll need to ask Ed Sheeran or Katy Perry. Ed and Katy, if you're watching, why not try out this technique on your next song and see if it becomes a hit? Now if you want to learn more about writing music, check out this playlist and check out the description for more interesting resources. Stay creative, and for now, see you next time.